we have touched upon all colleges almost from across Hyderabad, and the kind of response that we get from the boys, the kind of response that we have got from the boys whom we have counseled as minors, they have come out and they have started doing anti-eve teasing campaigns for us. So that's a huge encouragement for us, because we see here the transformation coming in these very boys who were actually the perpetrators. When we asked them why they did that, why they were behaving in that way, they said we didn't know that it was wrong. So I think it is important as parents, we should counsel our boys, tell them what is wrong, tell them what is right. I mean, when we are telling our girls so many things, don't go here, don't go there, come back by this time, why don't we ask the boys also? Why do we give them so much of a freedom and, curtail the freedom of the girls? So everyone should, ensure that the boys grow up in the same way.